Hello, today we'll be doing a half round balloon garland to be placed in our round backdrop. First, we'll have to inflate black balloons of different sizes as a base for our balloon garland. Then tie the two balloons together. Next, we will use this string to tie all the black balloon pairs. You don't really need a balloon strip for your garland. You just tie them all together like this using a string, and you can make a beautiful balloon garland. Now this is our balloon garland base. I just put it around our round backdrop. Now we will add some gold balloons and star mylar balloons as additional accent. And now this is our finished product. Our half round balloon garland with gold star mylars for our 70th birthday celebrator, Daddy Danilo. And here is our entrance balloon arc with star mylar accents. And our ceiling danglers, all gold star mylars. And our stage backdrop, the balloon garland, of course.